the choreographic hammer and the Aszmara screwdriver. The choreographic hammer is when we have a great movement that we want to put in a choreography, but it doesn't quite fit, but we make it fit by using the Aszmara screwdriver, making the movement more accessible for that choreographic hammer. In my classes, I use the Aszmara screwdriver to help us improve our stance, improve a movement, feeling more where the center of a movement is, where the essence of the movement is, and then making it fit. I use the Aszmara screwdriver on myself all the time, making my movements cleaner, exploring what I can do with it, and making my dance mine.